Hello, fellow Illumineers. Welcome to Illumineer Rob. I'm your host, Rob, and we are going to be opening the Emerald and Ruby First Chapter Starter Deck, as well as a few other booster packs. So, Disney Lorcana is the hot new game on the market, so everyone is excited to get their hands on it. Haven't been able to get too much yet, but we did pick up this starter deck from our local game store, so we're excited to open it and check it out. So first, you can see that it's a ready-to-play deck. It includes two foils, Emerald and Ruby, so you can have two inks. So this one's got the Emerald. We got Cruella de Vil on the top and Aladdin on the bottom for Ruby. And then on the side, before you buy it, you can decide whether or not you want to get this starter deck based off the characters. So list all the characters there and the items and action cards, and then adventure awaits. With your Lorcana deck, you summon new versions of Disney characters as Glimmer, some familiar and some fantastical. Reimagine, send characters on quests for lore, or use them to challenge opponents. So it includes one starter deck of 60 cards, two foils, 11 damage counters, one paper playmat, one paper tracker token, and game rules. All right. Let's open it up. Alright, nothing else inside the box. Alright, so this is the starter deck. So they have it wrapped in paper rather than plastic to keep down on that. We'll look at those in a little bit. So we got the quick start guide, game overview, tells you about the characters, items, parts of a card. And you got actions and action songs. And then parts of the ink. It lists all the ink: amber, amethyst, emerald, ruby, sapphire, and steel. And then it tells you how to set up the game. Shuffle your deck, set your tracker to 0, draw 7, and then flip a coin or roll a die to determine who starts first. And then on the back, it has info on how to play the game. Oh, pretty great. And you could pause if you want to read any of this, but there's also an app that you can download, and the directions will be on there as well. And then you have your lore tracker, and then just paper tokens, which, you know, are okay for kids, okay for beginners. But if you're, more serious about it, or, you might have better stuff already than that, some dice or something. The neat thing about the playmat is it is double-sided, so you got deck and discard, the lore tracker, inkwell, and cards in play. And it is reversible, so if you tend to play with your deck on your left or right, you can choose where to put it. So, okay, we'll save the booster pack for last. Alright, we got Aladdin Prince Ali, a couple copies of that. We have our foil Cruella de Vil, Aladdin Heroic Outlaw, Duke of Wesselton, those, Horace, 3 of those. We got Iago, he's a rare, Jasper, he's an uncommon. We got Mad Hatter, it's a nice one. He got the card draw when he's challenged. Megara, Mickey Mouse Steamboat Pilot, Peter Pan Never Landing, Mother Knows Best, Stampede, Steal from the Rich, Vicious Betrayal, Stolen Scimitar, Aladdin, Street Rat, Captain, Colonel's Lieutenant, Donald Duck, Boisterous Fowl, LeFou, Pongo, Rapunzel, Scar, Dreamborn Scar, a couple of those, Sergeant Tibbs, Stitch, Rare, Abomination, Dragonfire. This card is fire. Banished chosen character. It's really powerful. Non-inkable. There's a lot of non-inkables in this starter deck, so I think it's more the advanced starter deck compared to the others. He got a sword. He's got a sword. All right, Shield of Virtue. And that is the Emerald and Ruby starter deck. So the starter decks each come with a booster pack inside. So from what I noticed, you're pretty much guaranteed to get a pretty good pull. I think you're almost guaranteed to get a super rare or legendary. So let's see if that's true. All right. We have Dinglehopper, Yzma, Stolen Scimitar, Aurora Briar Rose, Tangled, Cerberus. For our uncommons, we have Belle, the Inventive Engineer, or Dreamborn Belle. Cool. So, got that one now. We got Maximus, Starkey, Captain Hook is our rare. Nice. And we got a legendary Maleficent. Yeah, so these starter decks are almost worth just picking extras up. I am considering. Very nice. There she is. And we got a common foil work together action. All right, so we have a few other booster packs, so we're going to open those up. We picked these up at our local game store as well during our Lorcana League. So we got these 2 packs last night in Lorcana League play. We have Mufasa for commons, Pongo, Simba, the Wardrobe, Aladdin, Prince Ali, Hercules. For uncommons, we got Pascal, Cheshire Cat. All right. Another Belle, Inventive Engineer. Ooh, our rare is Lilo. Lilo is great. She's a 1 cost, and she gets 2 lore. So that is a sweet pull. And we got Mother Gothel, a super rare. Skip the drama, stay with mama. And we got a foil Flounder. Shout out to citizens at Lorcana. We got a Flounder. Foil Flounder. Nice. All right. Can't hide him back there. All right. Last pack. Again, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Maybe tell me what your favorite card I pulled is, and maybe some of the cards that you've pulled from your starter decks for the maybe you got a legendary as well. So let me know in the comments. We got Briar Rose Aurora. We got Tangled, Stitch New Dog, Archimedes, Stampede, Goons. Ooh, Elsa, Snow Queen. Flynn Rider, commons. Eyes of the Fates. Ooh, we got a rare Scar. Oh, he's shift. Oh, very nice. He shifts for 6. And we got another legendary Gantu. Very nice. All right. And our foil is Hercules. All right. Thanks for watching, fellow Lumineers. Remember to leave a like. Support your local game store. Have fun. Hope you have been enjoying your time getting to play the game. All right. We'll see you real soon.